जी मैं निवेदन कर रहा हूँ श्रीमान जीवन राम जी तेतरवाल साहब बज्जू, आप अपना उद्बोधन यहाँ से दे दें। इंग्लिश में बोले बाबू जी।
Thank you, Omji. Firstly, I give the lot of thanks to the Omji Godara for Kudi because he has given my introduction, so I will not repeat my introduction because he has given my this biography. So please give the big hand to the Mr. Omji Kudi. He's a performing the stage programs as well. So I'm very thankful to all of this, especially this Omji, because he has just run for this stage program. Very brilliant. Okay, thank you. I'm also thankful to the also media, also the other persons, those videographer, and this just our relay this our voice to the is our country, and out of also country. I am also thankful to all of this administrative department, maybe the police department and other, and also the Sevak Dal. Also, they are performing this duties. Due to that, we have to save. So, very thanks to all of this administrative department. And again, just a lot of this congratulations to the winning of prize student. Those are taking this maximum 92 marks or maybe 95, 97. So that students can be create the great history for the self and also the family and also the lesson. So my good wishes with all these families and also these children, all the educated persons, they will be goes in higher rank as a Ruby star or maybe progress in their life and will be become a higher degree. So thank you for this winning of this prize distribute. Today is a historical day in Mukam. This Mela Jambeswar Mela Mukam. So because our voice will be remain in India. And also the other also listening the other country also. So today I say welcome to all the respected dignities, ladies and gentlemen and young generation, children, and also this senior citizens, those coming from the various side, from the maybe this Haryana, maybe UP, then maybe Gujarat, maybe Jodhpur, Nagaur, Bikaner. So because they are coming from the various side and just pray to the God, this we are lucky chance, we have to get the time and we have to spare the time and just goes to this Mukam and this Samratal Dora. So I wish to God that you will be healthy and progress in the life. Today I get the chance because my voice will goes to the other country because so many people are just giving the program for the state that can be remain in our country as in city in India. But by as a language change of this platform, this my always this voice will be goes to other country. They will be listen because such a community, such a Bishnoi community working as India for protect the tree, protect the climate. So they will be listened because they are just take the listen from this India because India is progressing day by day and whole world is watching our achievement. So why because a tree why you are necessary in this human being. So human and climate and tree these are have this can be have the some this life cycle because we are getting this oxygen from the tree and we have just released the carbon dioxide and this tree will be take the carbon dioxide and they release the oxygen. So you know this how this the Delhi air quality of the index because so many this air quality of the index is very serious and people are suffering from this so many diseases due to this climatically. So tree will be remain, our health will remain, we will be remain, our the climate will remain. So we have to protect our trees. So I will not take that so many time because other persons also waiting for this again. जिंदगी में कोई अभागा नहीं है बशर्ते कि वो जागा नहीं है. जिंदगी में कोई अभागा नहीं है बशर्ते कि वो जागा नहीं है. ये जागने की बेला है इसीलिए लगा इतना बड़ा मेला है. इस मेले में यदि जाग के खड़े हो जाओगे तो मेरी पक्की मान्यता है कि आपको कोई हराने वाला नहीं. मायूस ना हो अगर किसी ने धोखा दिया सच तो ये संभलने का मौका दिया था. अभी तक बैठे थे गहन अंधेरे में और इन 29 नियमों ने हमें प्रकाश में आने का झरोका दिया है. थैंक यू. I'm very thankful to all of you because you give the time to speak, to express my feeling. Thank you. Good to wish you all the best. Have a nice day.
क्या बात है, बहुत बहुत तालियां बजाएं सजनाओं.